AICT State Government. I'll just place one or two things for my Lord's kind consideration.
What is your certificate? Mr. Speaker Council, you can sit now.
I've made this statement, my Lord. I have not brought and recorded the certificate with.
Without that, we can't consider your case.
My Lord, in that event, my Lord, they state the provisions, the last order that was passed by my Lord has already taken note of the fact that we are the diploma holders, my Lord.
Correct, but we want to see
This-
how in one of the for certain institution AICT is giving approval.
I'll just.
Why it is not
For
giving?
that reason alone, my Lord, I'll just place that, my Lord. If my Lord would permit me. Bharti Dasan's case itself, my Lord, would clarify that entire proceeding. Section 2H of the AICT Act, my Lord. It defines, my Lord, the institutions that are there. If I may be permitted to place that, because that has been taken note in Bharti Dasan's case. 2H of AICT Act, my Lord. All India Council for Technical Education Act 1987, my Lord. Technical institutions.
No, Bare Act for AICT.
It is, my Lord, in that compilation alone, my Lord would find that at page 337 of volume 1. 337, volume 1. It is just two provisions of this act, my Lord, and one provision of this act, my Lord, and UGC Act. That would clarify the entire issue that is there before, my Lord. 2H. Technical institution means, may I place this, my Lord? Technical institution means an institution not being a university, which offers courses or programs of technical education and shall include such other institutions as the central government may, in consultation with the council by notification in the official gazette, declare as technical institutions. Now there is an exception which is carved out here, my Lord, that is of the university. University has been defined in 2I, right below that.
There is a definition of diploma. This is only a technical institution.
My Lord, yes.
The question is the diploma. Whether diploma course can be run by the institution with the approval of the AICT or by university. Now in the present case, university is also there, and on behalf of AICT is also.
It is not a university in terms of section.
So therefore, you please apprise this court whether diploma, insofar as diploma course is concerned, it is within the purview of AICT and it is not with the university.
My Lord, the functions of the council, my Lord, have been defined. No, I do not say that. The universities can't do that, my Lord. My Lord, with just two more provisions, and after that, my Lord's question will be, my Lord, I'll be addressing that question. Now, 2H, my Lord, has seen right below that, my Lord, is 2I. University means a university defined under clause 2F of section 2 of the University Grants Commission Act 1956 and includes an institution deemed to be a university under section 3 of that act. Meaning thereby, my Lord, that the courses that may be offered by a university for the purposes of upon completion of any course of prescribed duration, my Lord, in that event, AICT approval is not required. Now, so far as the University Grants Commission Act, my Lord, which my Lord, which is below under graduation. So far as diploma course, my Lord, is concerned,
Shows
that is my
diploma is exclusively in the purview of AICT.
diploma is below, my Lord, graduation. That I have shown. And then, my Lord, the next question that it is.
Diploma in diploma course is a technical qualification.
My Lord, yes.
Now you point out the diploma course is would fall under the purview of AICT and not the university.
My Lord, I'll just place by this provisions contained under section 913, my Lord, section 22(3) of the University Grants Commission Act. Universities, my Lord, cannot confer diploma courses. This is what I'm making, my Lord. This is my submission. UGC Act may kindly be seen, my Lord. It begins at page. That is why, my Lord, the government has made this categorical stipulation that it has to have the approval of AICT. Because universities, my Lord, do not confer diploma. And for that, my Lord, I may be permitted to place this gazette notification of the University Grants Commission, my Lord.
Have you gone through the decision reported in 2013 AICC?
My Lord.
Association Management versus
My Lord, yes.
Where the 2H has been interpreted?
2H, my lord, to mean that anything above graduation, what I am submitting here, my lord, PG diploma courses, that is postgraduate diploma.
Have you brought the judgment?
No, I have not brought, my lord.
Without judgment, you.
But my lord, so far as this case is concerned, for once, if my lord may kindly be pleased to, my lord, turn to page 23. The UGC notification may kindly be seen, my lord, where it says that it does not confer, my lord, anything by the description of a diploma. I'll just place that, my lord.
In this association of management of private colleges versus AICTA,
My lord, yes.
reported in 2013 8 SCC, the following questions were framed by the Supreme Court.
My lord.
Whether the colleges affiliated to university come within the purview of exclusion of the definition of technical institution as defined under section 2H of AICTA Act, whether AICTA has got the control and supervision upon the affiliated colleges of the respective university. Further, whether now the present case is relating to MCA. Whether the MCA course be construed as a technical education or not. In this case, it is held that university is empowered. That is insofar as MCA.
MCA is concerned.
Now you have
It's
to.
a post-graduation course. This is what I am submitting. So far as, my lord, courses graduation and above are concerned,
All right. Now in the from the regulation of AICT, you point out technical diploma course has been incorporated. Because in the regulation AICT,
My lord.
they have incorporated this engineering. What is this? Engineering and technology.
my lord, yes.
The regulation engineering and technology was incorporated. In between engineering and technology, they have incorporated MCA.
MCA also.
During pendency of the matter before the apex court. The Supreme Court has held that retrospectively you can't incorporate. Now in the regulation, you point out technical education has been included.
In the regulation of
Diploma.
diploma has been included.
Diploma.
Now, before that, what I was trying to bring to my lord's kind notice is that in terms of the provisions under
Sir, if you point out the regulation,
My lord.
that diploma course is given by reflected in the regulation,
Okay,
you have a case
My lord, yes.
in terms of this decision.
My lord.
Otherwise, you don't have case.
My lord, so far as their claim is concerned that the university,
Forget about their claim.
My lord.
Now you have to point out only this.
my lord,
The AICT regulation
diploma has been
diploma
incorporated.
is incorporated.
It may be, my lord.
What it may be.
It may be, we may be allowed little while, my lord. We'll just go through that and we'll bring it on record. Or, my lord.
Who is the technical? What is your stand?
We are going ahead after framing of the rules by the state government.
So you have no role. You are just abide by the state.
We are
Correct? All right. State. When are you getting instruction whether draft rules is required to be prepared or not?
Not the prevent practice of
Don't say practice and all. We are dealing with the question of law. No practice and all. Have you issued a draft rules inviting objection and suggestions?
no,
If it is not done, we will set aside, we will treat this rule 2014,
2015,
2017 rules.
amendment in 2017.
What
Amended in 2017.
rule is
2014 rules, we will treat this as a draft rules, asking the petitioner and others who are likely to be affected to file their objection and suggestion. And you have to notify in the official gazette, inviting objection and suggestion, give 3 months, and thereafter you finalize it after due consideration of objection and suggestion, and finalize it. It will go to the root of the matter.
Yes, my lord.
When are you getting instruction?
Day after tomorrow.
Huh?
Day after tomorrow.
All right. Heard the matter at length. Learned counsel for the state is hereby directed to get positive instruction by means of an affidavit of the first respondent as to whether before issuing rules called Bihar Water Resources Department Subordinate Engineering within bracket Civil Cadre Recruitment within bracket Amendment Rules 2017. Draft rules is required to be notified, inviting objection / suggestion from such of those persons whose rights are likely to be affected or not. Such issuance of draft rules is mandatory or not. These rules are issued under directly under Article 309?
My lord, yes. 2014 itself, my lord, the rules were notified laying down the eligibility criteria, educational qualifications, everything.
Whatever it may be.
And then the advertisement was issued, my lord. They participated in the process of selection. Once they were, my lord,
Stage we are already
my lord, of course.
over.
My lord.
As questioned.
My lord.
Affidavit shall be filed instead of hearing. Release this matter next week. In the meanwhile, both of you go through the 2013 8 SCC.
Yes, my lord. Yes. We have taken.
Appellant and respondent.
I'll also,
Throw some light.
yes, I will also,
Interpretation of section 2H,
I'll, I will also bring on,
Also, they have amended the incorporating MCA as the qualification.
I'll also bring, my lord, on record UGC regulation which provides diploma in universities. I'll also bring.
My lord, this is our case that it is PG diploma. It is not anything below graduation, my lord.
All right. You have a chance of.
My lord, yes. That list we have already brought on record, my lord. I'm trying to get a copy of the regulations of AICD.
If he's accepted, no undergraduate course of university. If his argument is accepted, then no undergraduate course of university will be allowed to operate.
My lord, UGC itself says that it does not have powers to regulate the courses below graduation, my lord. That we have brought on record.
But at the same time, university is approved by whatever the action taken by the UGC.
My lord.
University, it is approved by UGC.
My lord.
UGC is a parallel institution to AICTE.
My lord, yes. Now, for the purposes of diploma courses, my lord, the universities can confer degrees only if UGC has approved it by way of its notification. That we have brought on record. It is an official gazette. 23(5), my lord.
But when AICTE is, they are agreeing.
My lord is taking a
They are agreeing. Huh?
They are only to the point, my lord, that where university recognizes they don't have a role to play in case of Bharti Dasan's case. In my lord, in light of the judgment of Bharti Dasan's case, they are not examining that aspect of the matter, my lord, that so far as diploma courses are concerned, they are conferred upon completion of matric, that is 10th. It is only in respect of diploma or any degree or qualification which is conferred by universities post-graduation, my lord, or
He
graduation.
himself is a diploma holder.
I am opposing because I am approved by AICTE, not by a university.
No, that is the reason. Pick and choose the method is adopted by AICTE. For some institution, we are giving approval. For some institution, we are not giving.
My lord, it is, my lord, uniform for one and all. If it is approved by AICTE, we are government polytechnics, my lord. We have due approval of AICTE, my lord, and then we have completed these courses.
So all these diploma,
This is not valid.
it is to be thrown.
These are not valid for the reason, my lord, that these universities, in terms of the UGC Act and the regulations of University Grants Commission, my lord, such qualifications could not be conferred by the universities.
No, if your argument is accepted,
My lord.
such of those university who have issued diploma certificate, that is
That
thrown.
is invalid, my lord.
That is thrown to be dustbin.
It may not be thrown, my lord. It may
Then
be, but it is not valid. It need not be thrown, my lord, but it is not valid for the purpose of these appointments.
Sorry to
I'll
say-
demonstrate that, my lord.
Very specious argument.
It is, my lord, it is strictly in accordance with section 23(5) of the UGC Act, which confers upon the commission, my lord, the powers to frame.
Article 254 has been dealt
Dealt with-
with Apex Court in 2013 decision.
Yes.
Just go through that decision also.
We will.
Article 254 is not applicable in the present case. That is what they have rendered.
Of like,
10 minutes. And it is latest.
ज़्यादा दे देंगे
बाद में
ठीक है चलो
You are generous just to publication and
My lord, in compliance of my lord